the chatbot for this page using for free. You can also use paid plan for if you want to make more advanced. I simply want to make it like free like ChatGPT, so we can also integrate ChatGPT. So building chatbot, we use new.ai. So to build it, you can use any platform like WordPress. I want to build conversation chatbot for myself, not anything I want to grab it or anything like. I simply click on your account and just sign up, and I can guide you a little bit. I don't want to make a long video. So you want to create from template, click on this. You want to create new chatbot, you can let's guide you with new chatbot. And it is knowledge source, you can upload it. I don't want to, I simply want to. If you want to upload like you want to, it can answer from your website, so it can add your website link. If you want to add sitemap, so it can scrape all the URL and add it knowledge source. You can upload knowledge with Google Sheet, Q&A, text, anything. You can paste it here, and so it can learn. If you need anything chatbot, so it can grab from that. I don't want to paste anything, so let's rename. I think I don't rename, that's okay for me. I simply go to setting and I rename it. I make a chatbot for Steve Jobs, and I don't want to share as public, and the prompt will be act like a Steve Jobs. If you don't know, it is Steve Jobs was a founder of Apple. I think I spell all correct. This was on Google. Yes, it is correct. And we use GPT 4.0 mini. You can use any model like O3 medium, O3 mini, GPT 4.5, Cloud, DeepSeek, Cloud 3. Sonnet, 5 Sonnet, Nano, Mini, GPT 4.1, Turbo, anything. So I continue with this or this. So let's continue with GPT 4.1 and temperature for creative answer. So let's make it. So if this is 100, so it can provide creative answer. If this is low, so it can provide based on the answer. So I want to make my chatbot. I put it on 7, and the time zone will be default. Click on save, and now if you want to add on your website anything, you can customize it. If you want to chat interface, if you want to embed like this here and talk to like this, so you can also suggest message here. You can write, so it can like suggest like this. Label is message, I don't know, label. So if you use custom CS like this logo, this chatbot head, height with radius, you can customize your color, anything. There is different option. I simply want to integrate this on my Facebook account, not any other. So this is the voice AI, so you can talk with. So like it is talk, so it can chat with you, chat your client. So it can, I think it is here. So you can so it can chat with your AI and it can answer you based on the chat. I don't want anything. If you want to add, you can play with. I don't want to grab. I simply want to. If you want to grab lead, so you can add your name. If you want to grab user first name, last name, email, phone number, message, so you can enable it. So it can grab and add for you. If you want to book an appointment, click on enable appointment and authorize with Calendly or Google Calendar. So users can book appointment from here. using chat message, so you don't need to do anything. If you want to enable, click on enable appointment and click on cleansing and authorize it. I simply authorize with my Google Calendar, but I simply want to make a chatbot for talking. If you want to, just anybody want to talk with me, I simply agree. Click on Google Calendar and I authorize it. So what is the suggested message that trigger it to book an appointment for me? So anybody say like book, schedule a call, book an appointment, anything like that, so it can trigger it to have a chatbot so it can book an appointment. So we need to add keyword for this, so this is required. If you want to, so let's click on enable appointment and duration will be 30 minutes. Hourly system, Sunday is enable, Saturday is enable. Okay, if I want to enable, let's click on enable and this is the time, and I simply type book an appointment. I don't know what is my spell is wrong or right. Book an appointment, schedule a call, let's pick this schedule and let's click on this and appointment. So it is now fixed. Book an appointment, schedule a call. Let's save it. If I want to grab username leads, so it can also grab it. So I want to add X as this title. I want to like this. So if somebody click and I want to, first of all I want to grab like a name, email, so then I start a conversation. So you can enable this. I don't want. So if you want to display for every question, like you can ask any question, so it can display like this here, first name, last name, email. This is, that means this, and if I enable first, so it can ask this first. I don't want. Why can I grab? Just save it. Just save it. Go to appointment, live chat. If live chat means if I enable this, so what is user talking, we can see in live here. And sources means that so if you want to embed this on your website, simply copy this code and just paste on your website. Like if you are using WordPress, use any embed code. I forget a plugin name. So you can also edit your theme and just edit your theme and go to photo section and paste this code. It can also embed, or you can use embedding plugin. So you can paste this code and it will embed it. So if you want to integration like on Facebook account, if you want to integration with like message like Google voice number, you can also integrate. If you want to integrate with this Twilio for text SMS, you can also enable this, and you need to enable SSID and authorized token. You can also do that. I have this enable SSID and token, and I have also Twilio voice number. I don't want to integrate. This is my for personal. Sometime I don't want to open ChatGPT and search the question or use Meta.ai, anything like that. I just open my ChatGPT. I like clouds. I can integrate I made two bots on my two page, and I simply integrate that. I don't need to open cloud. I want to integrate on Instagram, so it can also do that. So people chat on Instagram right automatically. So people talk in Instagram directly, you don't need to do anything. If you want to integrate your chatbot in WhatsApp, you can also do that. I simply want to integrate in my Facebook page, I simply click on that and I simply authorize my click on continue. This is too simple. It takes only 3 to 5 minutes to build chatbot. It is too simple to build nowadays. I know what is the how this is simple and easy. I think I need to reconnect. हाँ खोले. Go to setting. Just rename our chatbot and rename it as Facebook and just save it. And I go to my chatbot and simply get my GM chatbot. Here I can integrate with my one page. I can integrate with my one page. I simply remove that. Click on integration. Go to Facebook. I can integrate that. And I simply click on revoke Facebook authorization. Click on revoke. Now go to my chatbot. Click on this and this. Click on Facebook. Click on this. Go to integration. Go to Facebook. Okay, my net is gone. Just open my hotspot. Go to got an error. Go to integration. Now I need to choose my account, which page I want to integrate. Go to edit previous setting. I want to integrate on Chatbot only. So if I want to select on multiple page, I want to want this go to opt in all current and future page. I don't want. I want to integrate this one with my Chatbot. Go to continue. Just save it. Got it. Okay, my network is now again gone. I think let's refresh it. Let's say it is integrated or not. Okay, now my Facebook account is connected. Let's start it. Okay, now it is connected. Facebook authorization successful. Now it is connected. Okay, bye. We don't, it doesn't work if I chat with page. It required our it required our Facebook account to chat with. It doesn't work on pages to chat. Go to my, I show you my messenger, and you can see go to my I think I can't. Here is the messenger. I can show you my chat history. I can integrate it so people can talk with. Here is the chat. You can see that it can work on different language. You can see people with question. I think it is not working now. Not now. Here you can see people on chatting. People are talking with our chatbot. I just click on this. Here you can see the replying our chatbot. You can see that it is working. Okay, bye.